Welcome to Purity Life's 40th anniversary tabletop event. We are kicking off our tabletop event here in Vancouver, and then we are heading east. Hopefully you have a chance to do a little tour of the warehouse today to give you an idea of the size, the magnitude, all the things that we do here, see our carousel system. We've got 4 warehouses, so Vancouver here. But we also have 3 other warehouses where we'll be hosting tabletops. So in Calgary is the next one. And then we've got Acton, where we started Purity Life 40 years ago. And then Laval will be won't be the final one, but it'll be the 3rd. Thank you very much for participating. We really appreciate it. You know, the reality is we don't do business with businesses. We do business with people, and all of you are people, and we love doing business with you, both our business partners, or all of our business partners being retailers, brokers, vendors. And so we exist as this ecosystem selling products that we all believe in. And that's really the reason Purity Life started 40 years ago.
We have Brian Zabel. He's our VP of Operations.
We've got Mike Roberts here, who is our VP of Purchasing and Customer Care. And then we've got Michelle Albrecht. She's responsible for our People and Culture, which is HR. And then we've got our VP of Sales and Marketing, Julie Drapeau.
A special recognition to all the vendors, the brokers, and all our partners to be here today with us, because without all of them, that would not be possible to put an event like this, to be there for you. At the bottom of our heart, thank you so much for traveling and being here with us today. It's really warming our heart that all of you take time to celebrate the 40th with us today.